start in time. Okay, so today I'm going to start the fabrication on tying the chassis back together on the car I'm going to be driving this year. I made a piece to connect the upright in the front to there. Basically, the problem we were having was the clearance for the oil pump on the chassis. You can see it's a belt-driven pump. I've got it hanging down here by the hoses. It fits up in this area here. In the original way this was laid out, didn't have the clearance for this, so the new piece, which is an old piece of Stealth chassis, sits in here like this and wings out. Then I've got to tie all this back together and make it structurally solid. So that's what we're up to today. Mike is building the body over there and finishing up some details. A little late start today for the weather, but see how much we can get done.
This one, and then there's another one. Those are too short. Oh, these are long. This is almost all the way through. These don't bother me at all. I put the other two over. On the head for the motion.
Kind of watching what I'm doing because there's like some oil around and stuff, you know?
Yeah, don't lay yourself on fire, man.
No, I just kind of going a little slow and I'm... Alright, so now I've added this bar. Basically what we're doing is we're trying to clear this dry sump pump accessory. So I've got the spuds in, and I've got it started. I'm just tacking it so I can get it over the TIG welder actually to finish it. But we're going to put another piece into here. The funny thing is, like, the glasses are for distance, and I can't see with them close up. So when welding, it's better to take them off. My welding helmet is a solar, excuse me, I should be talking through helmet. Solar powered welding helmet, and it seems to have lost a little bit of its charge, so it's giving me a little bit of a tussle. Let's see what we can do. How can we make this work? Now, I would much rather TIG all of this, being that it's chromoly. But the problem with that is it's a foot pedal and the leads for the welder. We've got to physically move the car to the welder. So I'm just tacking it in with a MIG. which I think will be plenty fine. Good. I hate to do this upside down. Actually, I got some more prep work to do, so let's stop.
Yeah.
You have to put tape, carbon fiber wrap over stuff.
That's pretty good.
All right, so now I've made a bar. Actually, the bar is the one that the guy who was supposed to drive this car hacked out of there with a Sawzall. But we've made some spuds and made this fit perfectly the way it's supposed to. And the thought I have is to stitch all of this together. Then this piece of chrome moly, which was robbed off of the bent Stealth, will go into there. We'll triangulate that, and we'll triangulate that. Then I may plate it in and pretty it up. Basically, whatever repairs I make, I want to be able to hit it with an order shank missile and have it survive.
Mason, New Year's Eve this week, New Year's Day this week, doing anything fancy schmancy? On the New Year's Eve, or you just hanging tight and sitting?
Okay, so we're adding a tube to join the two frame horns together to mount the radiator, and I'll be able to take the engine out and do all the final fabrication and grinding and welding, and then we move on to the back.